If you are tired of slow emulators like Bluestacks that freeze up and crash, here's a better way to run Android apps on your computer. You will get the real Google Play Store without any emulator software. So let's dive right in. So for the first step, go to Google and search for Windows subsystem for Android. Look for the GitHub page in the results. That's where we need to go. Once you are on this GitHub page, scroll down until you see a list of different versions. Here, what's important? Only pick the ones labeled as stable. Stay away from anything that says pre-release because those can be buggy. For this tutorial, we will use Windows 11 x64 stable version. Click on it, scroll all the way down assets section. This is where all the download files lie. So you want the file that says with GApps and removed Amazon. It's usually the first one and ends up with .zip. This file gives you the Google Play Store, which is exactly what we want. Before installing anything, we need to change one settings on our computer. Click on Windows section button. Type turn Windows feature on or off and press enter. A window will open with a list of features. Look for virtual machine platform. If it's not checked, click the box to turn it on and then simply restart your computer. So if you click on it, it will start installation. After installation, you can open your Windows Explorer and open your downloads folder. Open compressed and here you will find this file here that you have just downloaded. Right click on it and choose extract. Open extracted folder. Find a file called run. Right click on run and choose run as administrator. PowerShell will open and start working automatically. Just wait it to finish. Then a few windows will pop up. Here what to do with each one. First window. From here on left upper side you will see here these three lines. Click on it and open advanced settings. Then you need to turn on this developer mode. This lets you install apps manually later if you want. Then click back. Again click on these three lines and open apps from here. Here you will find this Play Store. You need to click continue when asked. Wait while everything installs. It takes a few minutes. Once installation finishes, click on the Windows search button and type here Play Store and open it. Then you need to sign it with your Google account just like on your phone. And that's it. You can simply try downloading a simple app and game to make sure everything works. Most apps will run great, but there are a few things to keep in mind. This method is much faster and smoother than any regular emulators. If you found this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to this channel. So that's how you can run Android apps on your PC in just few easy steps.